that's as far as I've got. I'm now coming up to the neckline, the collar line. You can see the cat, looks like a cat. Well, to me it does. And you can see how Postman Pat is taking shape. Yep, lots of loose bits, but you get those tightened up when you do the sewing in. So that's the front. Here's the back. Yes, it's like a nest of snakes. Much better now that we've only got Postman Pat to do, and all these ends for the cat will get sewn in. So there's less carrying going on. So we're only carrying a blue and a black at the moment, and the pale blue for the background. Now we're coming to a point where we have to make a decision, because again it's planning ahead. And what we have, because we're just coming up to this point here where we split the black. So do we run two separate colours, or do we run them across? Because of course there it is in the centre there, and you're only carrying across 2 stitches at a time. And what I'd like to show you is how to keep one black yarn holder and carry them all across. And like I say, I don't carry any more than 3 stitches, and looks like we wouldn't have to do that anyway. I've also, over here, I've set up a piece of white, because when we do the tie here, or the bow tie, there's a little bit of white in there. And what I've also done to make it easier for myself, although, you know, it was a bit of a snake's nest at the back, here's all the trimmings that I've cut off from all the long ends so that it didn't get caught up. So all I've done is I've cut off some long ends here so they didn't tangle up with the colours that I need, and it makes it a bit easier. So because I'm going to start shaping the collar from the purl side, I'll show you how to do that. So let's purl, and we have to bring a black stitch in, a stitch before the previous black. So here we are, we're just about to, we need to go in 1 stitch here, so I'll do a pale blue. So I've just gone over the Air Force blue there. Let's get the Air Force blue. We don't need to twist it because all we're doing is looping. We only need to loop at this stage on this stitch. So we've got 1, 2, so look, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, here we go. Right, so the stitch before the black, we're going to bring up the black, again we don't need to twist, we just need to loop it under. There it is. We need to bring the blue across because we're going to now purl that Air Force blue, and I haven't twisted or turned it because it's just carrying. And then I'm going to put the black over to the next stitch. So again, just take across. So didn't loop it or anything like that then. And then we go across with the blue, with the Air Force blue. Whoops, there you go. Actually, I'm just going to leave that over. That's finishing the uniform part of it. And again, all we do is we just use the background colour and we purl to the end. So you can see how I've done that there. So if we purl to the end and I turn around and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we're just coming to the end of the row, and we'll turn around. Let's put that needle down. So there you go, you can see I've started to split the black. So as I come back to this point, I'll show you again a bit of carrying.